So I'm getting ready to pressure wash. I got my Mighty M 4000 PSI, 3.5 gallon a minute, 100 feet of hose. I have some vinegar in case my foam cannon's clogged. Pool Essentials chlorinated liquid, Dawn. I got my turbo nozzle, my white 40-degree tip. I got a little funnel, some Blaster silicone spray in case the quick connects get stuck. That always helps. I got a Zep professional spray bottle. The Zep spray bottle comes in handy if you have to do like a spot treatment and go a little stronger with the SH. And I have 2 foam cannons and a downstream injector to use for the pre-treating. I always like to have a 5-gallon bucket with me so I can mix my chemicals if I'm going to downstream. And it's a good idea to have a hammer, some channel locks, and some vice grips. Oh, and I always keep a lot of spare O-rings in my van. This way, if an O-ring pops while you're working, you don't have to stop and head over to the hardware store. You always want to double check that the water at the house has been turned on. It's nothing worse than getting to a house to do the pressure washing and find out that they haven't turned the water on to the outside spigots yet. And then, of course, no one's home and you can't get in touch with the people, so it'll end up ruining your day. And don't forget to fill the machine up with gas and bring a gas can. And it's nice to have a ladder. If you saw on the left there, I have my Gorilla ladder. It's a multi-position ladder. You know, I hope the video is helpful to new guys just starting out. Yeah, I've been doing this for 30 years, and there's a lot of stuff to know and remember. And hopefully this video can help put you on the right track to getting out there, making some money, and doing some really great work. And save you some time and energy so you're not chasing around things. You watch this video and follow what I just said. It'll end a lot of headaches for you. All right, guys, good luck. Remember to subscribe.